Welcome back. This is Will Middleton from LifterLMS for the LifterLMS quiz system course. In the last video, we went over how to create a quiz in Lifter and use some of the general settings. And now let's dive into the basic question types. So in order to add a question, we'll click Add Question down here, and I'll start out with multiple choice. This one's pretty straightforward. We can type our question here. What is the best ... And we can see we have options for description, image, video, and results clarification. The description allows you to provide, a short description, maybe to clarify the question. An image allows you to add an image in here. If maybe you have a math problem and you took a screenshot in a presentation, you can add the image here, or we can embed a video as well. The results clarification allows the students at the end of the course to see the correct answer if they got that wrong. They can go through and look at all the right and wrong answers, and if you want to add some clarifications, you can do that here. So the multiple choice question type allows you to have the letters of the alphabet, as you can see here. We can add some choices, and you can go, so that you have 26 options, you can go A through Z here. We'll just start out by doing 1, 2, 3 for now. And that's pretty much the multiple choice question type. I'll show you what this looks like on the front end. We'll go through and take a quiz with the 3 basic questions, but for now, I'll collapse the question here. Now I'll add the second question type, picture choice. Picture choice is very similar to multiple choice. We have these same options here for description, image, etc. But instead of a typing in this field, we have the option to add an image. So I'll click Add Image, and we can add options here. I'll start out by adding a few in, add an image. Let's see, I'll just throw a couple examples in. Add a question. There we go. So I'll go with 3 for now. We'll type a question. Which do you like best? Question mark. And so you can see we can select which answer is the correct answer by hovering over and clicking the correct answer. I'll just do A for this one, and then we'll collapse this, show you what that looks like in the front end in a second. Now let's add another question. The true-false question type is very similar to multiple choice, except you can only have 2 options, true, false, and you can see here if I try to add more, it's not going to allow me to do that. But I can change the text here. If you want to change true, false, you can do that here. If you have another language or other terminology you want to use there, you can do that. Which is correct. We'll just type our question there, and as you can see, we have the same options, but I'll leave it as true for now. And let's save our changes here and check out what this quiz looks like on the front end. I'll go into the lesson, open it in a new tab, and you can see here's the lesson and here's the Take Quiz button, and we'll want to click Take Quiz. And now we can start quiz. And we can see which is best. This is our multiple choice question type. 1 was the correct answer here, I believe. Which do I like best? I believe this was the correct answer. And then true, false, true. And now we can click complete quiz. There we go. So you can see our grade here, 100%. And we can drop these down to see, and if we had results clarifications and got the question wrong, this would be red and you would see the results clarification there as well. But one other thing to note is you'll always want to tick this published to make sure students can see the quiz in the front end. I'm the admin on this website, so I could jump in and take the quiz, but you'll always want to make sure that's ticked. But yeah, that's the basics for the basic LifterLMS quiz question types in the free plugin. In the next video, we'll start diving into the advanced question types from LifterLMS Advanced Quizzes. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.